Alright guys, so today we're moving from big ugly pain in the butt key to a little guy right here, and it's got the flip out on it. So it's very compact. It'll use all the features that my original one does. As you can see, my buttons are worn out on this one as well. So I just want to do an upgrade. I got two of these off eBay for under 10 bucks for the pair of them. Basically all you got to do is there's a little screw right here, and you want to take that guy out. Alright, so that guy is out. Now you want to take the back cover off, or I should say the front, so that'll start to peel up. Don't worry, you'll lose that guy. So there, that's off and ready. Now you can see the buttons are all at the same position they are on my other one. So what you got to do is, on the original one, there's just one little screw right there. Alright, so I got the screw out. Now there's a little spot right there you can just kind of pop open. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to take your circuit board out, and then you're just going to slip it into the new one. Now the buttons are up, so the circuit board has to go in that way, buttons up. And then we're going to take the cover and put it on, and then there's a little tab here which is where you took the screw out. Just push that in a little bit so it starts to close. And don't forget your little thing here for the hooks. So you just got to slide that in, slip it in there, and then you just want to stick your screw back in there. Alright, I got it all tight with the screw. The key is already cut, guys. Make sure to get your key cut, because when they come, they actually come with a key blank. I have another one here that I didn't get cut yet. So as you can tell the difference, so make sure you get your key cut. But that's it guys, to swapping them over. It should be pretty much the same for any Chrysler product. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. We'll see you on the next video.